Hey guys, it's Mrs. Vero. So I have heard that there's been a little bit of confusion on getting into the one stop in the grad point. So I thought that I would make a quick video to explain to you how to get there. So if you are on the school district webpage, which is kpbsd.k12.ak.us, along the top there are these little icons. You're going to click on this one that says one stop, and I'm going to click it. Then it comes up with this page, and you're going to scroll really far down. I'm scrolling past these little charts. And then it comes to this thing that says Other Resources. Underneath that, it says Credit Recovery Grad Point Login. You're going to click that one. Then it's going to open a new page, and you're going to have to choose what school you go to. Obviously, we go to Nikiski High School. We're going to click that button again. And then it is loading. And you're going to type in your username, which is your lunch number. Mine looks like this. I'm not going to tell you all of it. And then your password, you're going to type in the word password, and then you're going to sign in. Once you sign in, yours might look a little bit different because I'm the teacher and you're a student, but it's loading, and you're going to have something that looks like this. And you're going to click it. And it will come up with all of these different things. So if I was going to start, I would start with this first one, section 1. I hope that that was helpful. If you have any questions, you should feel free to call me, text me, send me an email, come to my office hours, which are happening right now. And look, no one else is here. So I want to let you guys know how much I miss you. And if you have other questions, please let me know.